ThinkTank on tour with Project Plus. Do you have questions about the feasibility of your product design or redesign? Take a deep dive into the world of plastics and enter our ThinkTank. Book a workshop at your location. Explore the latest plastic technologies, get inspired, and enjoy the benefits of Project Plus. Let's make it fit. Your plastic product ideas will come to life. We are HSV. Since 1968, we have a passion for plastics. We love to share our knowledge so you can benefit at an early stage. Did you know? HSV is the only manufacturing company in Europe that successfully combines two techniques in one solution: the Project Plus approach. With our team of qualified technical engineers and sustainable production capacities, we create and produce large insulating components and injection molded parts. Start your journey and enter our ThinkTank. During a workshop at your location, we defy the laws of nature. Forget your existing business case and get inspired to innovate. Discover lightweight and constructive solutions that will fit your needs. Fantastic ideas will emerge. The Project Plus approach makes it possible to reduce cost price at an early stage. We'll simplify your logistical process. We'll reduce your purchasing risks. When will you enter the ThinkTank? Book a ThinkTank workshop at your location and discover all the benefits of Project Plus.